Hi there and welcome back. Today I will be unboxing a Louis Vuitton ESCALE summer striped BB bandeau. The brand celebrates the arrival of summer with this marine-themed bandeau. It is made of beautiful pure silk fabric and printed with a pattern of nautical stripes in combination with the LV signature and monogram flowers. If you like the maritime aesthetic, I think this bandeau would be a nice way to elevate or add a little maritime vibe to the look. What I will do is share some styling examples and I hope you enjoy it. My wardrobe contains lots of neutral, monocolored items with exceptions to stripes that I love so much. When creating an outfit for the day, I would often reach out to basic items and combine them with some colorful accessories or statement jewelry. Just for starters, I think this bandeau would be an amazing addition to white or navy blue monochrome outfits. It will go equally nice with red tops or even denim. There are so many ways to style this Twilly. I think I will mainly use this bandeau as a neck accessory, but it's worth a mention that you can make it to an interesting handband or even a hair detail for around the ponytail or a bun. This bandeau is also suitable for bag handles if you have the matching color. I also think it will go really well on a beach bag, for example. I hope this gives you an idea of what can be done with this bandeau. I would like to thank you all for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next one.